Hey there fellow cyclists! Today we are diving deep into the world of road bike tires, searching for the holy grail of performance, durability and overall ride satisfaction. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting on your cycling journey, finding the right tire can make all the difference. So buckle up because we have got 7 top-notch contenders on the lineup. I'm your guide in this tire odyssey, and by the end of this video you will have all the insights you need to make an informed decision. Let's roll! At the first position of our list, we have the Schwinn replacement bike tire. When it comes to reliable road bike tires, Schwinn has been a household name for decades. The Schwinn replacement bike tire lives up to the brand's reputation, offering a seamless blend of performance and durability. The design of this tire is a testament to precision engineering. The tread pattern is optimized for superior traction on various terrains, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. The quality of materials used in its construction speaks volumes about its longevity. Made with high-grade rubber compounds, this tire can handle the wear and tear of daily rides with ease. Usability is where the Schwinn replacement bike tire truly shines. The installation process is hassle-free, making it an excellent choice for cyclists of all skill levels. Whether you are a commuter navigating city streets or a fitness enthusiast tackling challenging trails, this tire adapts effortlessly. Durability is a key factor, and Schwinn doesn't disappoint. The reinforced sidewalls provide extra protection against punctures and abrasions, ensuring a worry-free ride. The features packed into this tire make it a go-to choice for those seeking a reliable and long-lasting road bike companion. At number 2, we have the Maxxis Minion DHF MTB tire. Maxxis Minion DHF MTB tire, originally designed for mountain biking, has found its way into the hearts of road cyclists seeking top-tier performance. This tire brings a rugged attitude to the road, promising an unparalleled riding experience. The design of the Maxxis Minion DHF MTB tire is all about aggressive tread patterns. The knobs are strategically placed to maximize traction, making it an ideal choice for those who love to push their limits. Quality is evident in every aspect, from the durable rubber compound to the robust casing, ensuring longevity in the face of demanding rides. Usability may raise eyebrows for some, given its origin in the mountain biking realm. However, the Maxxis Minion DHF MTB tire seamlessly transitions to the road, providing its adaptability. Installation is straightforward, and its performance on different surfaces make it a versatile option for the adventurous cyclist. Durability is where this tire truly shines. The reinforced sidewalls and robust construction make it resilient against punctures and impacts, ensuring a reliable companion on rough terrains. The features embedded in these tires showcases Maxxis' commitment to creating a product that stands the test of time. At number 3, we have the HEB Allscape Heavy Duty Bike Tire. HEB Allscape Heavy Duty Bike Tire enters the arena with a focus on robustness, targeting cyclists who demand durability above all. This tire is designed to withstand the harshest conditions, making it a contender for those who put their bike through the ringer. The design is straightforward yet effective. The tread pattern prioritizes traction, making it suitable for a variety of terrains. The quality of materials is evident in the tire's construction, with a heavy-duty rubber compound that screams longevity. Usability is where the HEB Allscape Heavy Duty Bike Tire excels. Installation is a breeze, and the tire's adaptability to different riding conditions makes it a practical choice for cyclists with diverse preferences. Whether you are tackling gravel paths or city streets, this tire delivers. Durability is the star feature here. The reinforced sidewalls and heavy-duty build make the HEB Allscape Heavy Duty Bike Tire virtually indestructible. Punctures and cuts become minor inconveniences as this tire powers through challenges with ease. Effectiveness on the road is commendable. The tire's ability to maintain traction and stability on rough surfaces adds a layer of convenience to your ride. Specifications cater to various bike setups, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of cycles. The number 4 position is held by Panaracer GravelKing Slick Tire. Panaracer GravelKing Slick Tire steps into the spotlight with a focus on providing a smooth and efficient ride for road enthusiasts. This tire combines a sleek design with performance-driven features, catering to cyclists who prioritize speed and comfort. The design of the Panaracer GravelKing Slick Tire is all about minimalism. The sleek tread pattern minimizes rolling resistance, translating into a faster and more efficient ride. Quality materials including a high-quality rubber compound contribute to the tire's overall performance. Usability is a strong suit of this tire. Installation is straightforward, and its compatibility with various road conditions make it a versatile choice. Whether you are a casual rider or a speed demon, the Panaracer GravelKing Slick tire adapts to your preferences. Durability, though not its primary focus, holds its ground. While not as heavy-duty as some counterparts, this tire still offers a reliable lifespan. The features embedded in its design ensures resistance against common road hazards, providing a balance between performance and longevity. The number 5 position is held by Continental Shieldwall MTV tire, a true game-changer in the world of cycling. This tire boasts a cutting-edge design that prioritizes both traction and durability. The Shieldwall technology provides an extra layer of defense against punctures and abrasions, ensuring a smooth and worry-free ride even on challenging terrains. Crafted with precision, the Continental Shieldwall MTV tire combines high-quality materials to deliver exceptional performance. The tread pattern is optimized for maximum grip, providing superior traction in various conditions. The versatility of this tire makes it an excellent choice for off-road adventures, making those rocky trails feel like a breeze. Durability is a key factor for any serious cyclist, and the Shieldwall MTV tire doesn't disappoint. The robust construction and reinforced sidewalls contribute to its longevity, giving you more miles on the road without compromising performance. Whether you are tackling rough trails or cruising on city streets, this tire is up to the challenge. The number 6 position is dominated by Hycline Fat Bike Tire, a tire designed for those who crave the thrill of fat biking. Boasting an impressive width, this tire provides unmatched stability and control, especially on challenging terrains like sand and snow. Its unique tread pattern is tailored to deliver excellent traction, allowing you to conquer diverse landscapes with ease. Quality is at the forefront of the Hycline Fat Bike tire's design. The high-grade rubber compound ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and vibrations for an enjoyable cycling experience. The usability of this tire extends beyond the ordinary, making it a must-have for cyclists who love exploring unconventional routes. When it comes to durability, the Hycline Fat Bike tire stands tall. The reinforced casing and sidewalls enhance its resistance to punctures and abrasions, making it a reliable companion for your off-road adventures. Whether you are tackling mountain trails or embarking on a winter cycling escape, this tire is engineered to withstand the toughest conditions. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Continental Grand Prix 4-Season tire, a tire that excels in providing year-round performance for road cyclists. This tire is designed to tackle various weather conditions, ensuring optimal grip and control regardless of rain, snow, or sunshine. The advanced technology employed in its construction makes it a favorite among cyclists who demand excellence. The Grand Prix 4-Season tire boasts a unique tread pattern that enhances traction on wet and slippery surfaces. Its impressive water dispersal capabilities minimize the risk of hydroplaning, giving you confidence and control in adverse weather conditions. The design of this tire is a testament to Continental's commitment to creating products that elevate the cycling experience. In terms of usability, the Continental Grand Prix 4-Season tire shines on paved roads. The smooth rolling performance and low rolling resistance make it an ideal choice for road cyclists looking to maximize speed and efficiency. Additionally, the durability of this tire ensures that it can handle the rises of daily commuting and long-distance rides, making it a versatile option for cyclists of all levels. Thanks for tuning in to discover the 7 best road bike tires. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cycling insights, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Share your favorite tire in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation rolling. Happy riding!